Hey guys, so today's video is going to be in a different spot. I've done videos in front of my vanity before when it was on the other side of my room, and now we're doing it in front of my vanity on this side of my room. I don't know how I feel about it. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. When it was my other window, I had like my curtain or a backdrop there, so it didn't look so plain, and here I don't. So yeah, just let me know what you guys think. I'm trying to just do different stuff, and I also had my hair braided and I took it out like hours ago and it's still out of control. Usually it drops, like I'm sure once I sleep on it tonight it'll be fine, but it's still like a little out of control right now, so don't mind me. So today's video is going to be another Sephora play unboxing and my pre-filmed series. I got a year's worth subscription as a Christmas present last year, and I have a few more boxes to go through. So these are just going to be filler videos pre-filmed for you guys, and I hope you like them. Oh, this is so cute. Another one that I'll keep for the beach bag. Look at how cute. Welcome to the Beauty Boardwalk. Follow these tips for a look that will last long past sundown. Now go get your summer on. Anything good? Kinda. I'm definitely going to be keeping this little baggie. I've kept a few. I've thrown away most of them. I think I've kept like 2. If they were really, really cute, I'll throw them in like my purse to hold, I don't know, feminine products, or my beach bag to hold like some of my suntan lotion and stuff. I just think they're super cute to reuse. Some of them are plain and they're not worth keeping, but a lot of them I'm finding other uses for. So, where is it? That's a decent size mascara. This is the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara in Boom Black, a conditioning mascara that uses cannabis oil to nurture lashes while heart-shaped fibers add clump-free volume. I am so excited to try this because like mascara is my favorite beauty product, and this just sounds amazing. And I haven't used Milk Makeup before. It actually says it's a new product too. This is the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquefied Longwear Matte Lipstick in Queen Bee, a long-lasting lightweight lipstick that goes on like a gloss but delivers bold full color. I like the packaging. It looks like one of those squeezy tube like lip glosses, but it's glass. I can't see what I'm doing. It tastes weird. I mean, not that I'm eating it, but like, you know, it's on your lips. It's okay though. I love the color. What? This is a pretty decent size though. This is the All About That Body Alterna Hair Care Caviar Anti-Aging Miracle Multiplying Volume Mist, a multitasking hair mist that uses a plumping complex to create twice as much volume instantly. Spray throughout clean towel dried hair, then style as usual. This is nice. Oh my god, that smells so good. Caviar is like fish eggs though. Very weird. But I love it. I feel like this box is full of weird, unusual things. See, these are good size products. This is Clean Like a Dream Clinique Take the Day Off Makeup Remover for lids, lashes, and lips. Why not face? A gentle formula that removes makeup without tugging, stinging, or irritating skin. Not even the toughest waterproof mascara is a match for this tried and tested oil-free makeup remover that uses a blend of silicones to dissolve your boldest looks. Shake well and then apply to a cotton pad. Place the pad on your eyes or lips. Hold for a few seconds, then wipe away with downward strokes. I'm excited to try this. Should smell it though. It's not too like alcohol-y, which I like. I'm excited to try it. Bye Bye Dryness Belief the True Cream Aqua Bomb, a reviving moisturizer that fights dull skin with a burst of hydration. Hydration is a summer must, and this gel uses Lady's Mantle and antioxidant-rich extract to help ease dryness and make skin visibly smoother. Apply a thin layer to your face and neck. Tip: keep in the refrigerator before use and bring a little chill to your hydration routine. Well, that smells so good. Smells like a spa. Last but not least, we have a bonus. Every month, I swear, our bonuses are so tiny.
Sephora Play. You shouldn't have.
This is All Sugar No Spice Prada Candy Sugar Pop Perfume. Fruity and delicious. The scent story of apple, bergamot, and vanilla has a sweet ending that's anything but ordinary. I like it. Not my favorite. that is it for the June 2018 box. Thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button and comment what you thought or any requests down below. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell to be notified every single time I upload a video. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Yeah.